Virgin Galactic SPCE. After a great night last night, we're seeing the craft in the air, flying, testing for 2 hours. Everything looks great. I see a slight change now in Virgin Galactic's media approach. They put a Twitter post out saying, you asked to get more information, so here it is. It's basically reading between the lines, having spoken regularly to people at Virgin Galactic behind the scenes. It's kind of between the lines. We're starting to release some information now. We are a rocket company. We don't release information too easily, but it does suggest perhaps that some very exciting news is around the corner. They don't like saying too much because if there is a delay, they don't like getting egg on their face. So a rocket company after all, and there are huge challenges in a rocket company. So how are we playing Virgin Galactic right now? Well, last night we saw it test flight. It wasn't, of course, launching into space, but it was testing the mothership. Everything looked pretty good. So we're quite excited about what we saw last night. I don't know how the test went. I'm hoping to speak to Virgin Galactic. I've put invitations out now to Virgin Galactic to invite somebody from Virgin Galactic on my show. We do have a special members only event today. Only members later on this morning. If you click up here, that will take you to that video. It's a members-only Virgin Galactic special. We've got the Virgin Galactic single, when all the money raised from Virgin Galactic single will go to shares of Virgin Galactic. If I make $1 million, I'll buy $1 million of Virgin Galactic live on the show. That's coming out. Also tonight, as we make money, we like to support our charities. If you click up here, we are supporting the Red Cross in Turkey and Syria. That'll take you to the full playlist. Every night, I have a special video that goes out from my music studio behind me. This is the music studio. This is where I've been recording the Virgin Galactic single to raise money to spend, promote the stock, and also buy all the shares of Virgin Galactic. Yep, if I make millions and millions of dollars, I will buy millions and millions of dollars of Virgin Galactic. All right, so anyway. So how are we playing Virgin Galactic today? Well, I am holding my position. I still do expect it to go lower before it goes considerably higher. It could pop up to $10 a day. However, that was before PPI. PPI has scared the markets this morning. The markets was not expecting it. In fact, the forecasts were far better than they turned out. If you want to see the full report on PPI this morning, click up there. Not good at all. This is a bad sign for any speculative stock. So look out for that video. I just put it out a few moments ago, so go and check that out. So high risk stocks will suffer again today. Without that, I think today would have been $10, but with PPI, I think it's scared a few people away, and it should. And it should, which is why I'm buying more of my defensive stocks at the moment. It's why I'm not all loaded up on Virgin Galactic. We are not in a market where we can really, validify owning high-risk stocks, I'm afraid. So even though it's going up, as we see the rocket go up there, the fact of the matter is we are still in a bear market rally. No more than that. And at some point, bear market rallies come to an end, and there's a balance. All right, so let's have a quick look on what I'm buying this morning. This is what I'm doing. I'm moving my money out of Virgin Galactic. I've already sold it. Remember, I had 2,000 shares. I've been buying J&J. Extremely good value for stock right now. Great dividend. Coca-Cola, also been buying that as well. These are my defensive stocks. This is what gives me peace and harmony in my portfolio and holding it. I know that this is going to work. We know that this is Virgin Galactic is going to make money. It's just not yet. I do believe it will go to $100 a share, not because it's worth that, because that's where it will trade. Please click subscribe and ring the bell, and don't forget, check out the special video coming this afternoon. A special members only event, Virgin Galactic special, Virgin Galactic song on the way, and also up here you'll see the links to the the Red Cross event as well. So there you go. Be very, very careful. Before PPI, this could have gone to $10 today. I think things have changed slightly, so be careful. Load up. In my opinion, it's what I'm doing with my money. This is my real money at the end of the day. I am buying J&J, Coca-Cola, and the S&P 500. Till next time, take care of yourselves, good luck, and each other.